Hello everybody, this is Diego Martinez bringing you with a new lesson called Coordinate Planes. As you can see, I finally cut my hair, thank God, and right now I am listening to relaxing music that will help us relieve our stress. I'll try to leave the link in the description box below. Okay? So, right now, let's begin. So in this lesson, we will be talking about coordinate planes. You're going to write your objective, which is going to be I will learn about and how to use coordinate planes. Period. I'll give you 1 minute to write this down. Pause the video so you can write the objective. Right now we're gonna move on, okay? So here we have our image of a coordinate plane. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay, we're gonna use those three. So we're gonna start with a simple basic coordinate plane, like this one. Let me classify level, sim. So we are going to do this area first and then this one. So here it tells us to write the ordered pair for each item. We're gonna try to find the pineapple. So we're gonna start from the bottom here to here. Gonna be 5, then we go up 2. So it's gonna be 5 over 2 parentheses. Now we're gonna find the onion. Start from here, 8 over 1. 8 over 1. Then we do the apple. 4 over 9. It's basically not that hard. I thought that the first number this goes up, but now that I figured out everything, now I know. And if you have any questions or I make a mistake, you can ask your teachers, please. Now we're going to find the ordered pair 2 to 2. 2 to 2, we're going to write tomato. Ooh, let me change my color. Now 9 to 7. 9 through 7. We're gonna say pepper. And 2 to 7 is gonna be watermelon. So it's basically just to go like here and find whichever number. There are many types. You can use your fingers from here where I am pointing, here, and then over here where I'm pointing next. Or you can draw a line like I did. Like 5 do 2. That way you can find on which side is the number so you won't get confused. Because it may look it's in the middle here, but it's on the line here, the dot. Okay? Now let's do the other ones. Okay. Now we're gonna find the squash and the broccoli. So we start here from 9 to 5. So the answer is gonna be For broccoli, 9 through 5. And for the squash, it's going to be 1 to 10. Now we're going to find these last two. 9 is 3 over 4. 3 over 4 is going to be red onion. And 7 to 3 is going to be a let's put radish. Yeah, radish like the Kung Fu Panda.